Hey dance team, it's Coach Hawkins and my two wonderful helpers, Mallory and Lauren, and we are here to show you the choreography for our Pep Assembly show on August 10th. So if you were not able to make it to practice, this is the video you use to practice. So this song is familiar. We've made a few changes and added some props, but overall it should be something that you've heard before, so we'll make it nice and easy. All right. Okay, so that's the dance, and I wanted to also let you guys know that that's kind of a baseline for our choreography. We plan on, if we can get some more people to show up for practice, we plan on adding some things. We're going to use those big ribbons like we used for the 5th grade performance to enhance it and just make it a little flashier. We may add a formation change and just kind of spice it up, but basically that's the basic choreography. So practice. It's not too late to be a part of this if you couldn't come tonight. We would love to get more people so that we can pull off a really big performance. So thank you to Mallory and Lauren for showing up, and I will hopefully see more of you soon.